Alicia English, and I partnered up with Home Hardware to work on an amazing accent wall project. Today we're gonna tackle this huge 25-foot wall. This plain wall really drives me up the wall, and so today we're going to transform it into a beautiful accent wall. This wall used to be medium gray, and then it was white shiplap, and now it's going to be a showstopper on our living room wall. We spent several hours prepping this wall from the old shiplap by removing all of the hardware that was on the wall, filling any holes and sanding it super smooth, applying putty, and then making sure that this wall was nothing but flat. All of the materials used for this build can be found at your local Home Hardware Canada-wide. Let's get building!
The idea behind my design is that we're going to create a pattern on the wall. I'm going to use a bunch of 45-degree angles.
I'm going to use 1 by 2 by 8s to frame up the perimeter of this wall. Now that I have my wall framed up, I get to apply my pattern to the wall. I'm going to stick with 45-degree angles to make this a simpler project. I'm using a miter saw to make all my cuts.
I'm going to make a spacer that I can use that's 12 inches wide.
I'm already super thrilled with the pattern that I put on the wall. It looks really cool and it turned out just how I planned. Now I'm going to paint this room using my new paint sprayer. The pattern is already a bold choice for this wall, so I selected a white paint to use in my sprayer. I'm all prepped and ready for painting. Let's get started.
For this project, I'm using Beauty Tone Interior Acrylic Paint. I've chosen a velvet sheen in pure white.
I ensured to fill all of my seams using caulking. This weekend project turned out so good. I can't believe that in just 2 short days, this wall transformed into an amazing wall art. This wall stands out really well on its own, but just give me a second. I hope this project inspired you to create some of your own accent pieces in your own space. I'm Alicia English, and this was a Home Hardware sponsored project. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next project.